How to hard reset Galaxy F17 5G. Step 1. Start by turning off the smartphone completely. Press and hold the volume down key together with the power button. Keep holding both buttons until the display switches off and the device fully powers down. Step 2. To enter recovery mode, press and hold the volume up key along with the power buttons. While keeping both keys pressed, connect the phone to a computer using a USB cable. This connection helps trigger the recovery environment. Step 3. When the recovery mode screen appears, release all pressed buttons. At this stage, the device is ready for advanced system operations. Further guide is available in the description below. Since the remaining steps are technical and complex, we have detailed them in an external blog post. Make sure the device has at least 50% battery or remains connected to power during the hard reset. After the hard reset finishes, disconnect any cables and let the phone sit for 30 to 60 seconds before use. Open the link in the description to continue and finish the hard reset process.